Hi, I'm back to reveal these accessories I got from Louis Vuitton. So let's get to it. Here's the receipt. She gave me a perfume samples. She's so nice, my sales associate. Okay, the first one I'm going to reveal is this Colorline BB bag and key charm. I like the size, and it's not heavy and it's not too long, and the rounded edges so it will not scratch my bag. So here's the coding on this charm. There's the BB Louis Vuitton signature. The Colorline BB bag and key charm. Okay. The next one is the monogramming cuff bracelet in size small. There's the care card. It's made of a monogram canvas, and I think they put a cushion inside. It's soft and when you press down. And here's the side, the inside. Oh, let's flip. So shiny, that palladium gold hardware. This one is protruding a little bit. The thinnest part of my wrist is measured 6.5 inches to help you with the measurement. Okay, let me do it this way. And that's how far as it goes on my wrist. So this is the monogramming cuff 2017 summer collection. I think I might wear it like this too. The monogramming cuff bracelet. Thank you for watching. Bye.